morning. I hope this video finds you happy and doing well. As you know by the thumbnail, this video is going to be on a natural skincare that helps with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, just a lot of skincare that's going to aid in the anti-aging process. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Alright, so the reason that I wanted to do this video is because a lot of times when I do regular skincare, or let's say I do a makeup video or just different types of videos, I'll get a lot of comments saying, well, that makes my eyes water, or that messes with my allergies or sneezing. And it's just a lot of type of those concerns that come up. And it's basically that a lot of the chemicals that are in some of our skincare products and makeup, we are allergic to that. And this is clear because, you know, our eyes start to water, we sneeze, all kind of things like that. In fact, I have some makeup in my collection that I absolutely love to use, but I know that it's going to make my allergies act up, and I take Benadryl before I use it. And I know you're like, girl, that you're just being extreme. But if I really want to use the product, then I'll go ahead and, you know, take necessary precautions. So that's why I wanted to talk about natural things that you can use that will help with these issues. These are things that most of you all have in your cabinet right now. And yes, I know that some of these items that I'm going to talk about, you know, you can be allergic to them. And that's why I always recommend that if you are using a new product, do a swatch test, you know, on the back of your ear, like on the back of your neck right here. Or you could do it maybe on your neck. Just do a little small part, put it there, and then wait and see how your skin reacts for at least a day. At least that's what I was taught to do when I got my cosmetology license back in high school. You always do that if you're testing out or using a new product that, of course, your body isn't familiar with. So basically during this video, I'm going to talk about yogurt. That's going to be the main ingredient that I talk about. But I'm going to also talk about some other foods and things like that that you can add to yogurt to make skincare, masks, and things like that. So basically, yogurt has so many good ingredients in it, but the main one that I want to concentrate on right now is lactic acid. And we all know that lactic acid helps with moisturizing the skin. It also stimulates collagen renewal, which in turn can help improve your skin's firmness. And it also helps with hyperpigmentation, which if you have any dark spots, or like for me, when I don't have on a full face of makeup, I have hyperpigmentation really bad right here on my chin, and it helps fade things like that, or dark spots from the sun, as well as help smooth any fine lines and wrinkles that you may have. So by yogurt having all of that, there are other ingredients that you can actually add to that to make it a more powerful skincare regimen that you might want to use at home. And quickly before I get into the next part, I want to tell you that yogurt also has zinc in it, which is good for facilitating cell reproduction and tissue growth. It also has calcium in it, which is going to help keep your skin from getting dehydrated. And it also has vitamin B, and vitamin B helps protect your skin against free radicals, and free radicals are everywhere. One that quickly comes to mind is smoke that's in the air. That's a free radical. All types of things like that can affect your skin in a negative way, and vitamin B helps protect your skin against that. So, you know, overall, yogurt just has a lot of good ingredients in relation to anti-aging. But again, I'm going to focus on the hyperpigmentation and dark spots so you can help fade those naturally just from simple ingredients that you have in your house. So I'm going to start off with the simplest one, and that would be just taking yogurt on a daily basis and just massaging it on your skin. Now please make sure that before you do this, you do a patch test. But that is just a very simple, natural way that you can help combat those issues. It's just taking it, massaging it over your face and rinsing it off, and just do that on a daily basis. And also I want to note, with all of these, it does take time and you do need to use it on a consistent basis. Alright, so there are 3 popular common foods that I'm sure you have already in your home in combination with yogurt that you can use to make really great masks that are going to help with these issues. And that would be strawberries. And as we all know, strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and all of that is going to help with the brightening and lightening and anti-aging benefits. So if you mix that together with the yogurt, you have a really good skincare mask that you can use, which is all natural, which again is going to cut down on the possibilities of you being allergic. So strawberries with yogurt is going to be a really good mask that you can incorporate in your daily routine to help with any of those issues. Another one is cucumbers. And as I'm sure you already know, that cucumbers are loaded with antioxidants as well as silica, which help refresh and lighten the skin. So again, cucumbers mixed with yogurt is going to provide you with a all natural mask that you can incorporate in your daily routine. And the last one that I want to talk about is green papaya. And green papaya has a lot of natural enzymes that offer a lot of benefits to the skin. It also helps to exfoliate the skin, and it also has ingredients that are going to help lighten and brighten and help smooth out the skin. So adding green papaya along with yogurt is going to help give you a more potent dose of lactic acid. So in my opinion, you will probably see results a little bit faster. So that one's a really good one to try. Now, I don't know how many of you all have green papaya sitting at the house, but if not, I'm sure your local grocery store has it. So that's pretty much it, short and sweet. So let me know if you found this video helpful and if you would like to see more like these in the future. Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until my next video, smooches.